Hi guys, I'm Akita. This video shows you another problem on LeetCode. Check if n and its double exist. So given array of integers, check if there exist two indices such that I and j such that I is not equal to j, and the I and j indices are between 0 to array length. So and array of I equal to 2 star array of j. So question says is we have to check if n and its double exist. For 10, its double will be what? 20. Does it exist in the array? No. Then for 2, its double will be 4. Even that also doesn't exist in the array. Then 5, the double will be 10. So yes, 10 is present in the array. Yes, there exists a double of a given number where I is not equal to j. The positions are different, and yeah, array of I will be equal to 2 star array of j. So we return true. Once you find a number with its double, any number it might be, sorry, any number it might be. If the number is given and its double exists in the array, you just need to return true. So in the second example, 3 if you take 6 is not present in the array. For 1, its double will be 1 only. One's double will be 2. 2 is not present in the array. Then 7, its double will be 14, even that is not present in the array. 11, double will be 22, that is also not present in the array. Hence you return false. So what will be the normal brute force approach to solve the problem? Yes, you start with 10, then you go on comparing the rest of the elements in the array, whether 20 exists in the array or not. So if I write the array 10, 2, 5, 3. You start from here, check whether 2, 5, 3, 20 exists in the array. No. Again you go to 2, again check from starting 4. No. 5, no. 3, no. Again 5, you start here. Yes, 10 is present in the array, it's double. 5 2s are 10. Hence you return true. So that is a normal method. But here the complexity will be big of n square because you are running two loops. Each element again one entire array will have one loop. This element entire array one loop. This element entire array one loop. You can't start from here also because if you take 5, you have to check for 10 also. What will be the other method? In the same problem, instead of running through the entire loop, what else we can do is it possible to only iterate over the remaining elements in the loop? That means if I start from 10, only 2, 5, 3 are looped in the next inner loop. If I take 2, only 5 and 3 are checked. If I take 5, only 3 needs to be checked. Is it possible to solve the problem like that? Yes, there is. So if we take 10, we check for either 10 star 2 is present in the array or 10 by 2 is present in the array. Okay? Is that possible? Yes, if 10 by 2 is present in the array, yes, then 5, then the given number 10. So a number with its double is present. If 10 star 2 is present in the array, then 10, then 10 star 2 will be 20. A number, its double. So what we check is, we check for the multiplier and also the divider. So 10 star 2 is present or 10 by 2 is present. But one more edge case which we need to consider is, when we take 10 by 2, you can't just do 10 by 2 for all the elements, because if I take, let's say, 7, 10, 2, 5, 3, if I start from here, 7 star 2 I will check, that is okay, that will give you 14. But 7 by 2 if I do, that will round off to how much? 3, right? Actually it's 3.5, which is rounded off to 3. This is not correct, because there might be element 3 in the array. Yes, 3 is present in the array, and it will consider this as the double. 3 is the double of 3 is double is 7, which is wrong. So while we are finding by 2, we have to check whether the given number first here, modulus 2 is equal to 0. If it is even, only in case if the given number here 7 or 10 is even, then you check for the given number by 2 is present in the array or not. Okay, otherwise no. So 7 you have, you check 7 star 2 is present in the array. No. Then 7 modulus 2 is it equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So you do not do that. Then you go to 10 here. Not present in array in the sense we have to compare each element with the next element like this. If you start from 10, you go to 2. Whether you check 2 star 2 is equal to 10? No. Then 2 by 2. 2 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Hence it's a even number. 2 by 2 will be 1. 1 is not equal to 10. Again you check 2 with the 5. 5 star 2. How much it is? 10. Yes, this is the number. You get the answer. Okay. Any one of the conditions should become true. Either 5 number star 2 or number modulus 2 must be equal to 0. If only if it is even, then only we can do what and condition. Num by 2 can be checked. So this is another approach where you are not iterating over the entire array twice. If you start from 10, only 2, 5, 3 are checked. If you start from 2, 5, 3. If you start from 5, only 3. But without in a single loop, can we solve the problem? In the same logic what I explained here, can we solve the problem? Yes, we can. So we have 10 to 5, 3, no? So what we will do is we will start iterating over the array and we create a set. In array, if we have array, we have to run through the entire array to check the given element present or not. But in set, using dot contains in Java and dot count in C++, these two functions. This is in Java, this is in C++. With these two inbuilt functions, directly you can check whether the particular element whichever you need it is present in set or not. So once you have 10, now check whether 10 star 2, num star 2, if it is present in set. Or check given number modulus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, 10 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, it is. Now check whether num by 2 is present in the set or not. So for 10, you check whether 20 is present in set. If that is not present, then you go to next condition. You check whether 10 is even or odd. Yes, it is even. So you can divide the 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 will be 5. You check whether 5 is present in set. No, initially set is empty. So initially the set is empty. You might tell it is present in the array, but initially set is empty. It is not present. So if that is not the case, now you insert 10 into the set. So the set will contain 10. So as I said, you might ask here, num modulus 2 is equal to 0 and num by 2 is present in the array, not in a set. Initially set is empty. Now you insert. If this condition doesn't satisfy both condition. Next you move to 2. Again check 2 star 2 is present in set. No, only 10 is present. And 2 modulus 2 is equal to 0 and 2 by 2 will be 1. 1 is present in set? No. Now insert 2 also into the set. Okay. Next you move to 3. Now check 5 star 2 is present in set. 5 star 2 is nothing but 10. Is 10 is present in set? Yes. So once you find the number, you just need to return true. That's all. You need not to do any other operation. So this is how we solve the problem. If we have 5, 2, 10, 3, then initially 5 set will be empty. 5 will be inserted. Again 2. 2 star 2 is not present. 2 by 2 is also not present. Insert 2 into set. Then you come to 10. 10 star to 20 is not present, but 10 modulus 2 is equal to 0 and 10 by 2 is equal to what? 5. 5 is present in set? Yes, it is present. Hence you return true. So this is how we solve the problem. So let's implement the logic here. So first what we need to have, we create a unordered set of type integer. Okay, in this set what we need to do now, iterate over the elements in that set, in the array. So first check if num star 2. Okay, set dot count of, in C++ use count function and in Java we use contain, set dot contain. So set dot count of what? Num star 2. Or now you have to check num modulus 2 is equal to 0. And one more thing is, if it is even only, then you check for the division. So set dot count of num by 2. If either of these condition becomes true, then return true. If that is does not become true, then we have to insert that particular element to set. So at last, if after all the elements of this condition doesn't satisfy, then you can just return false. So we will run this and check once. Yes, and for Java also same logic. Okay, so as you know, set integer, new hash setting create each number, you check set dot contains of number star 2, or if it is even, then you check for the divide by 2 also and return true. You know why this condition is happening? So if you have 7, you can't check for 7 by 2. No, that is not possible because that is giving you floating number, floating point number. So only if the given number like 10 to 4, all such even numbers are present, you can check for 10 by 2, 4 by 2 because that will give you integer only in the division. So if that is present, you return true, otherwise you just add that particular number into the set. If after the loop also no other number you find matching one in the double, you return false. So we'll submit this also. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.